So I'm going to teach you how to make your own weight gain powder at the comfort of your home, and it will save you the risk of buying rubbish. You will gain up to 10 kg within the space of 3 to 4 weeks. So this was me before. I was so skinny because I had a surgery, so I lost a lot of weight. I even started taking apitamin, but then yes, I added, but it affected my tummy. Like my tummy was very big, so I had to go online to buy all this weight gain syrup, which almost landed me to the hospital. And yes, I was like, okay, let me just do this myself. Let me find out the healthy way of adding weight. And look at me, like look at my before and look at my after. Like the difference is clear. Like that was clean. So I'm going to teach you what I did and how I prepared my own weight gain powder. Yes, it's very simple and it's very safe. It's something you can get in the market and prepare it by yourself at the comfort of your home. Yeah, so that was me a long time ago when I was so skinny. Like I had a surgery and I lost a lot of weight. So that was why I was looking that skinny. If you've been hospitalized before or you've had a surgery, after the surgery they'll tell you, okay, don't eat now, wait for some days before you start eating, and these are the things you're supposed to eat after the surgery. And like that, my whole system just got used to the pattern, and I was struggling so much to eat. My appetite was like on the low. My eating pattern was just 0 0. Like in the whole day, I might just eat once. And coupled with the fact that I'm a student, some lecturers would like to keep you in school for the whole day. So the time you're supposed to eat, you just spend the whole day in class. Like everything just added, like worsened my situation. So I couldn't gain weight. So until I decided to do something about it. Okay, let me just put it here. This video is just for people who are interested in gaining weight, like gaining healthy weight in the right places. Yeah, healthy weight in quotes. Because a lot of people who intend to gain weight do it the wrong way. They munch all manner of junks all in the name of weight gain. Because if you're eating junks or eating anyhow, you don't have any pattern of eating, it's going to make you look like off. You look bloated, you have big tummies. Ingredients I'm going to list will help you gain weight in the right places without looking puffy or looking round like ball. I promise you that these ingredients are going to help you put on a lot of weight within the space of 3 to 4 weeks. You should be, in fact, if you are a very hard gainer, if you're a hard gainer, you should gain at least 10 kg within 3 weeks. If you're a hard gainer, yeah. And these products, they are safe. So these products will save you the money for BBL. You don't need all those things that they mix and give to you all in the name of weight gain. So I'm going to teach you how to make your own weight gain powder, and it will save you the risk of buying rubbish. I don't know what they sell to you guys online all in the name of weight gain, because most of these things, they don't tell you the ingredients they use to make those weight gain products. Yes, it might work for you, but then you don't know what it contains. On the long run, it might have side effects. So I'm going to teach you the natural way you can gain weight. It won't cost you much. You can do it at the comfort of your home and you will still get that banging body. Yeah. So this video is going to be like bit by bit. So this is going to be the first video where I'll just talk about the weight gain. So in another video, I'll talk about how to gain weight in your butt area to enhance the look, and how to gain weight the breast, and a nice curve like normal hourglass shape and flat tummy and all, just all those things. So I'm going to like cut it just bit by bit, so you get like you understand everything. I don't want to jam pack everything in one video. It's going to be boring and too long for you. So let me just say this. I am not making this video to, discourage anyone who loves their body the way it is. If you are a slim girly and you like the fact that you are slim, please continue with that. But if you don't like the way you look, please, you owe nobody anything. Do you get? The most important thing is that you're happy, you're confident with the way you look. So, some people actually look better when they add or put on a little weight, not like obese, but some people look better when they put on a little weight. So, if you're in that category, please, this video is for you. I promise you that these products or these ingredients I'm going to list out now will help you to gain weight within a space of 3 to 4 weeks. That's a month. And if you're a hard gainer, I promise you within these 3 weeks you must have gained at least 10 kg. Yeah, that's I assure you. Without wasting much of your time, let's just talk about these ingredients. I also forgot to say something. If you can't do this at home, or you feel like most of these ingredients you don't have access to them, I also have them for sale. I have this product already made for sale, so you can buy from me. I'll put a link in the description box, or I'll put it in the comment section. I'll pin it in the comment section, so you can reach out to me on TikTok to purchase yours. It's just going for 17,000 naira, and mine will be a bit different from what I'm teaching here, because I want my own is going to, I just added some things. I don't want to say too much, just so that it will amount to what you paid for. Let me not talk too much. Just talk about the ingredients. Now, to make this product, what you need, just bring out your paper and pen and start writing. Number one, you will need oats, Quaker oats. Yeah. 2, you will need soya bean. 3, you will need fenugreek seeds. 4, you will need dates. 5, you will need nuts like granules, just nuts. And if you are not lactose intolerant, then you can add milk. But if you're lactose intolerant, you can just skip the milk part. The 7th one is dried plantain. All these things, you are going to grind them and make them into a powder. I'm not going to talk too much about the preparation of these products. I'm going to talk about that in our next video. It will be mostly how to prepare this. I will show you step by step how to make your weight gain powder at home. But this is more like an introduction. So if you want me to show you the whole process of making these products at home, then let me know in the comment section. But if you don't have the energy to do all these things, you want me to do it for you, then I'm here for you. Just go to the description box. You will see my link there. It will take you to my TikTok page or my Instagram page, any of them. I don't know anyone that is available. I'll just put it there. Then you can just chat me up and tell me what you want. It's just for 17,000. Let me just quickly talk about these ingredients. Number 1 is soya beans. Soya beans contains what we call phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogen mimics our main estrogen. Is a hormone. Estrogen is a hormone in the female body that helps to enhance our feminine looks, like curves, boobs, butts, etc. Just estrogen just gives you that feminine look, your glowing skin and all. These phytoestrogen, they are found in plants like soya beans. Soya beans is going to give you what estrogen will give you. At the same time, it's also a protein, and we all know what proteins do to the body. Next one is the dry plantain. The dry plantain contains carbohydrates and a lot of calories, and this helps to regulate your blood glucose level, At the same time, it contains a lot of calories, so it helps you to gain massive weight. The next on our list is the fenugreek seed. We all know what fenugreek seed. I will be hearing fenugreek. So by now, everybody should know what fenugreek does. It's the same thing as the soya bean. It mimics estrogen, so it's going to give you that feminine look. It enhances your boobs, your butt, and you know, and everything. Then it also helps you to gain weight. At the same time, it increases libido, and also if you have menstrual irregularities, it will help to regulate it. And also, some people say it actually helps to relieve menstrual pain. So more, you see, if you're taking this, there is a lot to gain from all of this. So this is just all all about the ingredients. So you see, they have a lot of benefits aside the fact that you will gain weight. At the same time, you look beautiful, your skin will glow. And yes, if you are taking any weight gain products, please drink a lot of water. You need it. If you would want me to talk about any other thing or any other topic that has to do with female well-being or any other topic relating to weight gain, both hips, enlargement, anything female well-being, just let me know in the comment section and I will make a video about it. I don't want to make a video that nobody will want to watch. So let me just know what you guys want me to show you guys in the next video or in my subsequent videos. Yeah. So I'm always here for you for everything female well-being, health, skincare, and a lot more. And I hope this video was very helpful to you. If so, please hit the like button and please do also subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. And also do not forget to share this video to your friends and your family so that other people will see this video too. And I will be dropping the next video soon, maybe in 2 days time or in 3 days time. I don't know. We're in Nigeria and light is an issue. Data is now costly, so for you to upload a video, it will take a lot of time because of maybe network or whatever. So hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. YouTube will notify you that I've dropped a new video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Please do where to turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. I would like to see you in my next one. See you in the next video. Bye for now.